Put up OC earlier. Start na.
Yeah. Gago.
Nakidnap na si Hekit.
Uy.
Next time.
Hindi naman, boy naman.
Measure double OC guys, measure double OC.
Double OC guys, double OC. Make sure you eat your second food.
Double OC.
Party lead, party 2, who's party lead, party 2?
Yearning.
Can you mark, yearning?
W1L.
Gano'n dyan. Tatanong ako.
W1L.
Hani, di ka rinig.
Hello. Hindi ako nagsasalita diyan.
Ah, putay na ako.
3 pings lang.
Picture ko yung pag-walk kidnapper.
Mamakidnap ka.
Makindap ka.
Everyone stuck on list. Go.
It's fine.
Aray ko.
Ginagawa ko. Spread lang guys, spread. Abot kayo siya. Yo, ready. Is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Puta.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice. Pasabi ng gate, please.
55. 50.
40.
One more. Yo, one more fake with me, Alex. 5, 4.
Wait.
Fake lang.
Wala.
Take
2 seconds.
Okay,
Picking
wait.
now.
20.
It's fine. Yo, ready is. Wait.
10%.
Ready is. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Gate gonna break ha. Gate gonna break.
Yeah, come back. Go back. Tank spill. Go back, guys. Click gate. North. Click gate. Yo, they engage. They miss. Fake lang. Yo, spread.
Pin pa hilin ako.
May defensive life curse sila. Mahirap mag-engage.
Ano?
May defensive life curse sila.
Sige.
We can GA the life curse before.
Ano sila?
Kidnap. Stalox is kidnapped. Can we guard through?
Yo, wait.
He's
Yo,
in front.
south is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back. They will walk in.
Ready.
Patay si Stylox.
He's fine.
Nice.
Good heals.
Spread lang,
Alex
spread.
being kidnapped.
Yo, Alex,
Yeah.
come back.
Wait.
Just a couple of heals. He's fine.
I got guard on like.
Good shit.
Nice. Good shit.
Ay, thank you, Giga. Thank you.
Yo, ready to peel. Tanks ready to hold on.
Fist.
Yo, look south is ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Yo, tanks peel. Peel.
We'll push it.
Go, yeah, they're pushing. It's fine. Spread lang, guys. Spread lang.
They're engaged. Looking.
Yo, ready def west. Def west now. Def. Guys, click your fucking very calls, man. Yo, come south.
Ready to counter na. May CD na.
Yeah, inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Spread. Go back. Go back. Man, no one can press fucking clericals, man. Go in. They have
Are we
CD,
good?
they have CD.
Are we good?
Yeah, we good. It's fine. Buhay tayo. Yo, ready, def.
Left.
Man. I'm bold.
Lalatan.
-4 support siya. Well,
Fine. We can still win. Yo, CD.
Ready, RB.
Yo, give me fake southeast now.
Taking.
Nice.
Gago. Nasa labas pa ako.
CDs, yo, come west. Yo, di English.
55% kita.
It's ready. Is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back. Man, sobrang easy makita
20%.
Gate gonna break.
Yo,
5
come
seconds.
southwest,
5%. They're looking.
It's fine.
Fake, it's a
They
fake.
still have DPS.
Yeah, ready def. Real engage. Wait,
Wala pa.
Meron pa.
Yeah.
We can turn deep.
Yo, walk in, guys. Walk in. Yo, look.
May engage pa sila.
Fake lang. Fake lang to. Nice. Yo, swing. Look southwest near the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me, on me, on me. Good. We can still win. It's fine. We're good.
May looking na,
Sila
looking
gate,
sa
ano,
press.
sila gate. Ready there.
Go inside.
The spread.
Yo, go inside and spread. Yo, they're looking inside, guys.
I'm alive.
Guys, I
This
see.
one,
Alex.
Alex in front. This one, Alex in front.
Sakit.
Yung healer ko nandun sa fucking northeast. Like, ba't ka nandun? Wala kang i-heal dyan. Di mo need i-heal yung tank. May defensive
There-
si Alex.
If I'm playing deep inside, it means I have no own shit.
Fake lang. Spread.
They burned life curse.
Yeah, I know.
They're looking. Kidnap si po.
Pala, yo, inside,
Okay.
walk in.
Ready.
Inside fake.
Anytime now.
Nice. Fake lang. Yo, it's fine. Walk in. We gamble here. Walk in, guys, DPS, walk in. Ready, inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Ready, def. Pats.
Patay ko, Oler.
Pats.
Patay ata ko, Oler.
It's fine, bro. I don't care. It's fine. Just come inside, man. Listen to me. They miss.
Nice
Walk in.
fucking dodge.
8 seconds ako, 8
10
seconds ako.
seconds ka pa, ano ya? 10 seconds ka.
Yeah, I know.
Ready, anytime.
Walk in. Alex, you have CD.
No, I already used it.
Ah, fuck, man. It's fine. Shallow.
Double pull.
Yo, inside. East. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Go in.
They're looking to counter. They're gonna look to counter. They're looking to counter. They're pushing in.
I know. Go in, man.
We have knight armors. We can hold them.
Go in. Yeah,
Knight armor.
Take lang
Going to
yan.
engage.
Go in. Looking to engage.
Engage now.
Left. Walk in.
I can fake. I can engage. If you
Yo,
want.
don't fake. I'll call you. Yo, swim lang. Swim.
Northwest, north mo. Hani, northeast.
Inside lang. Inside on the crown. 5,
Northeast.
4, 3, 2, 1. Go back. May CD na sila. Go back. Guys, if you're getting rolled, go back.
Can we get heals on
And
yearning?
maybe that, they might
Heals on
engage me.
yearning in front.
In depth. Nice.
He's, oh,
Too deep. You got kidnapped?
yeah.
Tayo sa Irish. May DPS pa ba ako?
Meron ka pa
You have
sa
to win party.
RB.
You have to
Yeah,
win party.
3. Depends ako.
Nasa kanila yung pressure. It's
That's a fake.
Kidnap.
Come west.
Heals on a 666 boys. 666. Heals on 666.
Bro, why are you there? What the fuck?
You got
Got
kidnap.
kidnapped. It's fine. You can heal. We have
Northeast, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back. Yo, if nasira tong gate, we kite west.
70 pa yung gate, 70 pa.
Kite here. We don't go castle room. We go here, okay? On this gate.
Copy.
45.
Copy. Yo, ready. Shadow lang.
20% 20%.
10%.
Come back. Click gate.
Right here, 2 maps away.
Yo, click gate northwest. Hold, they engaged. Come.
Where are they killing?
Single
CK.
Ang deep mo, bro. Wala ka ng DPS. Hanis sa kapatid. Dalawa na lang.
Legit ba? Sige lang, meron pa dito. Pwede ba? Come guys, come. Yo, Alex, I need fake.
Yeah. I'm faking now.
Nice. Too deep man. It's so obvious. Come back. Yo, click gate. Fake yan. Kita nyo tong 100 mo nito? KW nga, incubus ito. KW. KW inside. Sige lang. We hold this. May pressure sila.
They're looking.
Yeah, wait. Dami nila guard runes tayo. Boy. Spread.
They're pulling out slowly. They're gonna turn, ha?
Kidnap lang yan.
Pick up. Yo, come back. I didn't tell you guys to come in. QWC.
They don't have a chariot.
Yeah, I know. QW lang.
They use the life curse already, ha?
Nagalit na. KW daw.
Yo. Northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All of them!
Baka.
DPS pa.
Tanks, hold them.
They're gonna look, they're gonna look.
Yeah, I know. You come back, guys.
He's on Alex in front.
Dude,
Like, can
I'm gonna cleanse you, Alex. Try and
Dun.
get what?
Yeah.
yo, come on. Kidnap. Def yan. No.
Di ba, lowing sila, di ba?
Yeah. Yo, shallow lang. DPS, tell me CD.
Ready.
Engage sa akin pa.
Wait. Okay. Come north. Ready, northeast. Wait, fake. Fake lang to.
Nagigig sa'yo, Hani.
He's on honey.
Nag-engage sa
I'm
pa.
gonna hold southwest. Keep moving southwest. I'm gonna hold them. Hold on. Go out, Aaron. Go out. I'm gonna sacrifice myself.
Just call GG. Type niya GG as you go.
Di naiiwan na nila, i-kidnap.
Ano pre? Like they're using double pull sa spears. Dalawa spears nila, lahat ng spears nila ang ginagawa nila pinupull.
Miss Walker.
Yung spears nila na Miss Walkers pareho.
So basically they Miss Walker in, pull Miss Walker back. Sobrang layo nung hila.
Man, hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin ko dun sa, wait, sa engage sila dun sa may gate. Tangina, wala man